If you happen to be looking for a quick, cute, and practically free crafty gift for the holidays, this might be an idea for you. I've been hoarding old magazines for too long and recently went through them, ripping out the pages I like and turning them into envelopes. And I mean, I basically turn into an envelope making factory. It's so satisfying, quick and easy, and you get to clean out your stash at the same time, which is a win-win situation if you ask me. Add a little envelope with labels. These are free printables you can find online. You can put a bunch together and tie them with some string or twine. One can never have too many envelopes, right? Add little stamps or stickers as seals. You can even add handmade cards if you're feeling extra crafty. And now you have yourself a merry little package to give to a fellow paper lover. I actually have been making so many. Oh my goodness. My favorite one. Acceptance, even though it's very difficult to do. Yeah. Wishing you warm and calm holidays.